Ever felt a chill run down your spine at the thought of getting slapped with an IFTA sticker fine? If you're nodding your head, stick around, because we're diving into what these fines are all about and how to steer clear of them. Let's kick off with the basics. IFTA stands for the International Fuel Tax Agreement. It's a deal between the U.S. states and Canadian provinces to make tax reporting easier for those cross-border truckers. Sounds nice, right? But here's the catch. If your IFTA stickers aren't up to date, or if you somehow end up without one, get ready for a fine. And trust me, it's not a party you want an invite to. These fines can be quite the headache. Imagine expecting a smooth journey, and then boom, you get stopped and there's a heavy bill. No trucker wants that kind of surprise. So why do these fines happen in the first place? Often, it's due to expired stickers or missing ones. It's like forgetting your wallet at home and realizing it just when you need to pay. Not fun. To stay on the safe side, renew your IFTA decals before the yearly deadline, typically by December's end. Every truck needs its own valid decals, displayed on both sides of the cab, and your IFTA license should always be in the vehicle. Missing either could quickly lead to a fine. Now, you might be wondering, how do I avoid these fines? It's all about keeping your paperwork squeaky clean and up to date. Consider it your ticket to ride without the worries. And if paperwork isn't your best friend, you're not alone. That's where we at Moving Authority step in. We help you get through the complicated maze of paperwork so you can focus on the road ahead. Imagine my buddy Joe, a fellow trucker. He was cruising along, thinking all was well, until he got flagged for an expired sticker. It wasn't just a financial hit, but a real time waster. The good news? Joe learned from it and now keeps his documents as organized as his route plan. It's those little nuggets of wisdom that help you avoid unnecessary bumps on the road. Are you starting to see how crucial these stickers are? Keeping them current means fewer headaches, more peace of mind, and who could say no to that? If you're ever in doubt or need a helping hand with keeping your IFTA stuff in order, remember, Moving Authority is just a click away. We've got your back like a trusty co-pilot. Visit us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. This video is brought to you by movingauthority.com, your go-to resource for sorting out all things trucking. With us by your side, you can keep your wheels turning smoothly and say goodbye to those dreaded fines. So, truckers, let's aim for clear skies and open roads with no fines in sight. Drive safe out there, and until next time, keep on trucking.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.